Are you feeling bored of doing same thing again and again every day? Monotonous life? Here is a beautiful tip from me. My dear students, parents, teachers and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another beautiful video of students doing various things at the school level. Schooling is formative years for any person, any of the human being. Schooling, that's why it's very important. What we learn at this stage makes our future. We can see that because this is foundation, formative years. When you're bored being an adult, try to recollect your school days. What was the foundation laid by your school? I tell you only two important aspects which will definitely enrich any ordinary soul. People who think that I'm not talented, maybe I don't know that, I don't know this. I tell you, everyone are talented. We have various things to pursue. But today I give you two common, important, but soul enriching hobbies and wonderful things to pursue. Those two things are music, gardening. Music, vocals or instrumental. I'm going to present two beautiful girls who, out of their own interest, there is no trainer, there is no tutor, but out of their own interest, they listen, they practice and they sing in the school assemblies also. So those two girls are going to sing beautiful song today. Let us enjoy and let us take this as a wonderful hobby for everyone. We can practice, we can sing, we can hum, we can tune. We can listen, that enriches our soul, that heals our mind, that heals our pains. The second thing is gardening. Gardening is trying to plant and grow and take care of them. Even a small flowering plant or a croton or a fruit bearing tree or big huge trees, when you plant, when you sow the sapling, when you sow the seed, when you look at every stage of the plant, when the plant tries to give us the fruits, the harvesting time, soul enriching experience and keeps you always engaged, keeps you always busy, and definitely every day this music and gardening give us a new experience of life which will help us to have the satisfaction, and also you will not be bored with the monotonous of life. My 11th class students, BPC, biology, physics, chemistry, they few months back sow some seeds of vegetables, green leaves, and today when they were ready to harvest, the faces of my 11th class children are beaming with happiness. There is a new glow in their faces because with their own hands they planted, with their own hands they are harvesting. And I said, take them home. Ask your mother to prepare nice, tasty curries and food with those. They grow, they learn how to grow, they see the nature, the bountiness of the nature. They enjoy that organic leafy vegetables and also other vegetables. Today, my video revolves with this. The singing, beautiful singing of the students, beautiful gardening of the students, their garden in the school. They grow, they take care, they experience, they know when they grow big, they know what to do with their home kitchen gardens, or they can be the startup, farming communities. So my dear adults, my dear students, my dear St. John's community, don't be caught up in the monotony of life. Look around, sing a song, listen to the music, take up the gardening. There is nothing beautiful than these two when it comes to your hobbies and your pursuing. Enjoy the song, look at these videos of the gardening. Be blessed. Have a nice day.
This is an open letter from you and me together. Tomorrow's in our hands now.
Find the words that match, say them out loud, and make it better somehow.
Ooh, looking down from up on the moon, you're a tiny blue marble. Who'd have thought the ground we stand on could be so fragile? This is a love song to the air. You're an ordinary one, a diamond in the universe, heaven's poetry to us. Keep it saying, keep it saying, keep it saying, as it's ours. It's not a proposition, many or religion, how many in a might live. When the one really question, the matter is still a matter of perspective. Looking down from upon the moon, you're a tiny blue marble. Who'd have thought the ground we stand on could be so fragile? This is a love song to the air. You're an ordinary one, a diamond in the universe, heaven's poetry to us. Keep it saying, keep it saying, keep it saying, as it's our world.
See, Mama Earth is in a crazy mess. It's time for us to do our best.
From deep sea
Straight up to Everest. She's under crazy stress unless you won't be motherless.
clean heart, green heart.
Is away your stress, speediness and too much greediness. 6 billion people all want plantiness. Some people think this is harmless, but if we continue, there'll only be emptiness.
This is a love song to the air. You're an ordinary one, a diamond in the universe, heaven's poetry to us. Keep it saying, keep it saying, keep it saying, as it's our world, it's our world, it's our world. English Medium School, Tenali.
You're watching the sorrel leaves we cultivated in our school campus as a part of learning by doing.
We thank our teachers and principal ma'am for supporting us in this activity.
We thank you, St. John's.